stay congenial and magnificent student or the viewer of this group. We're from DFKT, major in computer programming and hardware services. We're in front of you to teach how to disassembly and assembly a system unit. By the way, I'm Tara Rowena.
I'm John Ray Sabri. I'm Cesar Nagay.
And I'm Janice Baimini. How to disassembly a system unit. First, remove the metallic tips like this part. Even in IT, because this is the metal. Then rub our hands to remove the static electricity of our body, or else touch it in the unpainted part of the system unit. Then, first, remove the case. Then, the first thing that we are going to do is remove the power connector. Then, before we remove this, then after that, separate. Then, the video card.
Video card, a piece of hardware installed into a PC to allow it to send video signals to an external output device, such as a monitor or projector.
The proper handling of video card is like this one. Then put it like this. Then after that, the RAM.
RAM, main memory temporary storage device.
Handled it very well. Then, the next is the heat sink.
Heat sink, reduce the heat.
Then after that, the hard disk drive or the HDD.
A non-volatile storage device that used to store or retrieve digital information.
Then next, the power supply unit.
Power supply, used to supply the component inside the system unit by converting potentially lethal AC to steady low voltage DC.
See, the PC disassembly is now finished. Then, let's proceed to the PC assembly by my group, Chandray Abrigo and Tagahin Cesar.
Now, we'll teach you how to assemble a system unit. First, replace the motherboard. Holding a motherboard properly by the corner. Then the power supply. Then the processor. Placing the CPU into the socket. Then the hard disk. Holding the adapter cards properly by the corner or the edge. Then the RAM. The handling of RAM is on the corner.